Are we all ready for a little more electric motor drag racing? I know I am. This right here is the motor out of a Sas-zoom 1875 hairdryer. And it was one of my shop dryers that I got, from the ladies in my life, and they didn't want to use it anymore, and they come out here to die. This one specifically died the other day when its fan exploded while it was being used. So, I think that's a good sign. And I'm going to go ahead and take the awesome solution of one boomboxdelux. And his idea was that when I'm putting the balls to him, I'm just giving it a little too much nut. And that I need to actually back off a little bit and use some ballast. So in this instance, I'm doing it. And the ballast, despite the number of selections on the floor there, is that DeWalt sander. A motor that's a little larger, but I figured it was in the ballpark, considering the other options I had. I've got the motor on tick over here, just warming up a little bit, preparing for our race. And I'm going to go ahead and break out the digital tachometer, and we're going to crank this little girl here till she explodes. Alright, so we are idling at 1500 RPMs. Here comes the power. $10,000. Sander's starting to run. 15,000. $18,000. Alright. I don't think my ballast is big enough. Alright, so here we go. Alright, memory. We hit 18,538. But you'll notice that motor still runs. And that, as stated in the rule book, is not allowed in electric motor drag racing. So I'm going to transition from the DeWalt there to the Big Trouble light, and we'll try it again. This is that same Sas-zoom motor using the Trouble light, much larger ballast. Here we go. I couldn't get it over 20. Let's find out what we got. $19,709. Of course, you know the next step. The hell with the ballast. Alright, here we go. Zero ballast. Let's see how high we can get her. $15,000. Huh. 16,869. So, clearly, boomboxdelux's solution is a good one. If you want a competent race car, you can't be quite as heavy-footed as I was being. Thank you very much for that suggestion. Be sure all the rest of you, if you don't already know Boombox Deluxe, you check out his channel. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the track.